Those days are finished. The days where someone hits a student twice, call himself grandmaster, and nobody question it. Now we have the internet. Now we have AI. Now we have slow motion. You cannot lie anymore. Real structure shows, fake structure collapses. Today I want to speak honestly. For many years, Wing Chun has suffered, not because the art is weak, but because people are weak. Some train 3 to 5 years, beat up cooperative students, make a few dramatic videos, and suddenly grandmaster. But real martial artists know real structure cannot be faked, real foundation cannot be rushed. And now with AI, with high definition cameras, with slow motion breakdown, the truth is visible to everyone. The era of cowboy master is over. I have trained and taught Wing Chun for over 50 years. I represented the Jeep Man lineage since 1978. I have tested my structure against thousands of students, hundreds of instructors, fighters across Europe, America, and Asia. I did not grow up on YouTube. I grew on the wooden dummy. I grew through challenge, through correction, through being humble. That is the difference. This is experience. Today I will show you the Wing Chun structure, Bong and the Gang punch. It's important to have a good structure and a good foundation. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. In Wing Chun, we always start from the structure. So feet together, both fists on the side of your chest, Wing Chun stance, knee relax. Your body stays strong and firm in the center. Do not bend forward or lean back, left or right. It's very important. Foundation is your basic. The foundation, your structure is your foundation. And then when you punch, do not extend your shoulder forward. You lose all the power. Wing Chun power comes from the ground, from the leg, from the waist, the body, the arm, the wrist, and then into the knuckles, from the middle out. So the whole body is connected to one. In this position, we will also check our center line using Tan Sao and Wu Sao. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Making sure that the middle fingers is in line with your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once we got the center line, we do the Bong Sao and then the Gang Sao punch. So 1, 2, 1, 2, right in the center. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Change hand. 1, 2, 1. Take a time. 2. And also don't forget to breathe in and breathe out through your nose normally. 1, 2. Try not to move your body forward. Stay firm and strong. That's your structure. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Change hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Change hand again. 1, 2, 1, 2. Bong Sao, Gang Sao punch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and relax. Let's summarize this. Feet together, both fists on the side of the chest, Wing Chun stance, knee relax, body do not bend forward or back, lean to the left or right. When you punch, do not extend your shoulder. Shoulders stay relaxed and square. The Wing Chun power comes from the ground, feet, your leg, your waist, your body, to your arm, wrist, and then to your knuckles from the center line. So it's important we check our center line with the Tansa and the Wusao. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure the middle finger is in line with your nose. One is correct, then you do your Bong Sao and your Gang Sao punch in the middle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The other side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and relax. Follow this video and practice it every day for 2 weeks. Your structure, your stance, your center line, your Bong Sao, Gang Sao punch will improve. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. If your foundation is weak, whatever you do will be weak. But if your foundation is correct and strong, you are always in control. Advanced techniques are easy. If your structure is correct, but if your structure is weak, even basic Bong Sao will fail. There is a wisdom difference between 5 years and 50 years. You don't need to spar like a cowboy to prove something. You need foundation, correction, guidance, a mentor who has already failed many times. Social media teaches speed. Wing Chun teaches depth. The internet has changed everything. You cannot hide weak structure anymore. So choose your teacher carefully, not the loudest voice, not the most dramatic video, but the one who understands foundation. If you value real Wing Chun wisdom, follow this channel because structure never goes out of fashion. See you in the next video. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I'll show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.